Alright, good morning everyone. Today we're in the Blue Mountains and it is absolutely freezing. We're with the man Jun, fresh off the plane from New Zealand, shout out to him. But yeah, we are in the Blue Mountains. We are going to some cool little lookout. It's got some sheer cliffs and hopefully that means a sick drone dive. But oh my god, it's freezing right now. Whew, my hand's gonna freeze before we actually fly the drone. But first things first, let's catch the sunrise. We've got about like 10 minutes before sunrise. Look, running a bit late, but look, it is what it is. The plan is we're gonna get some sick shots, maybe dive this huge ass cliff, and let's just not lose some drones. That's the goal. Get some beautiful cinematics, and let's go. Right now, it's time for the drone to be sent. The sun's just coming up, and if you can't tell, it is windy as fuck. So that's not ideal, obviously. But look, we gotta do what we gotta do. Get this gorgeous sunrise, and yeah, let's go from there. Woo. Oh my god, you probably can't hear me. I'm ducking down for freaking cover because it's so freaking windy. But Jun's seeing the drone right now, and basically what happened, oh my god, Jun nearly just crashed his drone. Bro, it's so fucking windy. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Alright, well the good news is it's fine.
I landed it straight away.
Well, yeah, just quick recap. I crashed my drone. I lost my ND filter because I crashed in that tree. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. I had no control. It was so windy. Bit of a shit show, but let's go try and get that ND filter because I want that. Let's go. Bro, how the fuck am I supposed to find this thing? The grass is so long. Oh god, I think that's a goodbye ND filter. I cannot find this thing for shit, so let's just go back up and fly again. It's gonna be a bit rough because I think ND8 would have been great for these lighting conditions, but it is what it is. And yeah, hopefully we'll probably chuck the ND16 on and hope the lighting's good enough. I'm thinking about flying again, but I'm a bit scarred by that tree clip branch, and like this is not good terrain to fly because there's so many sticks and shit just popping out the ground and you can't see them on the goggles, and you just get wrecked. So I don't know, a bit scarred. But on the other side, it's a pretty good spot to dive. However, yeah, it's just it's not sunny there, so it doesn't look very good. Dilemmas. I'm thinking that we'll go for a bit of a dive over my head and then down here, because I think we do have some line of sight, which would be good. But honestly, I'm a bit shaken up by my dumb crash before, so I'm not really feeling it. I'm kind of doubting myself, which is not good. This is probably where you should pull the plug. But look, I think I can do this. We probably won't go too close, won't risk it that much, but I reckon we can get some more shots. It's just a very scary thought that if you crash or anything goes wrong, you're never getting it back. Maybe I should switch to SD card. I should probably do that. But yeah, I think that's the plan. And we just gotta do it sooner or later. Let's go. That was fucking insane, man. My heart is racing. Yeah, I was trying to do some wild dives down there. Just hope my connection didn't get fucked up. And like, this is where I was standing. If you look here, I don't know how I had line of sight. Thank you DJI gods for not disconnecting my drone. But I think that turned out pretty insane. Maybe could have flew a bit closer as always, but look man, I'm just glad I came back. Shit, that was crazy. Alrighty, so we are now back at this little waterfall. That's just fairly along the way back home. And my guy Rob, if you're watching this, Rob, shout out to you. He tipped me off about flying behind this waterfall, which I've flown before. So maybe we'll try and dive it, and then I'll try and fly behind it, which might be pretty nuts. I don't even know if I can do that. I probably can't do that, but at the very least, I'm gonna fly behind it. That should be pretty cool. So, all right, it's windy as fuck. Oh my god, why am I even doing this? It's so windy. I don't even know if you can hear me. But look, this is a line of sight we've got right now. It's not great, man. But I think I'll just test it out and go slowly, see where the signal's at. But I reckon I can definitely fly behind. A little bit of a risk. I'll try and change my SD card or something. But yeah, let's do it, man. Man, that was fucking nuts. Wow, so windy, it's so cold. I haven't really had to deal with cold hands when I'm flying, but I think we got it done. We're probably gonna wrap it up right now. If you enjoyed watching, leave a sub. And if I was to give any advice, don't fucking fly when you have poor line of sight, when it's windy as shit, and when your drone's low-key getting wet. Because yeah, the drone was a bit wet afterwards, but look man, I hope the shot was worth it. You probably would have seen the bangers, and I'll catch you in the next adventure.